stop being an option in other people's lives when you can control the entire menu. Most creators tell you to talk smoothly or look into someone's eyes to influence them. But the real puppet master of human behavior is a cognitive glitch in our brains called the illusion of choice. Neuroscience proves that the human brain hates making complex decisions because processing information burns massive amounts of glucose and energy. To save fuel, your brain takes the ultimate shortcut. It only focuses on the information directly in front of it and completely ignores what is missing. When you ask someone a standard question like, "Do you want to go out tonight?" or "Can you help me with this report?" you are forcing their brain to think, analyze, and build a defense mechanism, which usually defaults to a no. To bypass this mental firewall instantly, you have to weaponize dark psychology by framing reality. Stop asking for permission and start dictating the parameters of their choices. Never ask a client, "Are you interested in our service?" Ask them, "Would you prefer the onboarding session on Tuesday morning or Thursday afternoon?" The moment you present two specific options, the subconscious mind flips a switch. It completely forgets to question the main premise, whether it wants to do business with you at all, and focuses 100% of its energy on choosing between the two paths you created. This is the exact psychological trap restaurants use when they ask, "Would you like sparkling or still water?" instead of asking if you want water at all, forcing you to buy something you didn't even want. If you want to stop being a victim of this manipulation and start using it to command your reality, eliminate open-ended choices from your vocabulary. Give people the freedom to choose, but make sure every single choice leads exactly where you want them to go.